What's up, Interspace World? I wanted to go over a couple things with you. I know I haven't done, sat here with you for a while, so I wanted to just kind of talk about some of my pre-flight checks and some of the little adventures that we've been doing, just to enjoy the nice warming of the earth this beautiful spring day. The trees are starting to bud. We've seen flowers exist. We've seen flowers starting to pop off the trees. It's pretty sweet, man. But we just wanted to tell you, hey, never forget, Jesus loves you, man. He died for you, and he's risen. He's still alive. He's still with us in spirit, not in flesh, but in spirit. We're excited to be here in the flesh and be able to, just kind of continue moving forward. So stay tuned, and I'll show you some of the adventures we've been on. And hopefully you guys have liked and subscribed if you like falcons and you like flight and you like the view from above. It's a little bit better than below. So keep looking up, man. Cheers. Here we are, southside. It is chilly, super chilly. Not too bad though. Punk's getting after it. Always check your lines. I don't open it up completely back here because this is kind of a sketchy area, but it kind of keeps the area down. See these little pressure knots right here? Get those out. Always connect your leg straps. First thing you do when you jump in your harness. So thankful for this pod. It makes it so much warmer out here. Reserve connected. These lenses are so sweet. You just take them. Bam! Uh-huh. One disadvantage to this face guard is you can't see much out of it down below. Kind of walk pretty funny, so trying to push my wing all the way up the lip, not something I feel like doing. Just the center cells. Make sure your wingtips are clear. Good, good. Especially in high winds, A's and C's. Don't grab the brakes. Okay. Get centered. was climbing nice. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Always like torpedo. No need to rush. Okay. 3, 2, 1, lift off. And I'm in. Woo! Yeah. Oh man, it feels so good. Went into wind, crab a little. Oh man, it's so smooth you can just take your hands off. So rad. Steer with the way you should. And that, my friends, is why I wear the body armor. Whew. Yeah. Come on. Well, I got about 30 minutes in and that was great. See, even that punk's parked up there. Definitely picked up. soft landing. Nice Flappy Bird. Beautiful.